Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. So we are having a family get together in Herefordshire. Out for a walk. We happen to be in the backyard of Land Rover Experience in Eastnor. There's Land Rovers everywhere around here.
Yeah, it's no tractors, that was a Land Rover.
It's a bit like Land Rover World. They've got like the whole run of the place. Right around Pims o'clock, there's a cricket match going on just opposite the entrance. So quintessentially British. Owned by Indians, built in Slovakia. Welcome to Eastnor Castle, the spiritual home of Land Rover. Look at all these lovely Land Rovers, the true Land Rovers. Unfortunately, got these pieces of shit here. 4-year-old, what the hell are these things doing here? Ridiculous. Oh, they got steering locks on. Eastnor, of course, is where the Camel Trophy selection trials were held. Oh, back to the real Land Rovers here. Look at that. I once had a half day round the off-road course in a Disco 4. It was fun. If you go close, it's probably a Range Rover Sport or something. I am aware that it says Discovery on the bonnet, but it's kind of hard to tell one jelly mould from another when you're distracted by this. A little bit crusty. 6-wheel drive, but not a true 6-wheel drive. Doesn't look bad though. For 1994, they've got boosts on it. It's special vehicles. There you go. It's also been resprayed because it's not 1994 colour. I think this is a matte silver. And the thing that irritates me, it's got a long sticker on it. For a moment, I thought this was a new Defender, but it's not. I haven't got a clue what this is. Range Rover something or other. There is actually a castle in the grounds, which we were headed for. Little off-roaders.
There's like a kids' play area, and there's a picture of a Land Rover. So.
Oh, a picture of a Land Rover.
So there's probably be something to.
Oh right, yeah, picture of Land Rover. Yeah, cool.
So that's the amazing little thing.
Cool.
It's quite cool.
When he wakes up.
Yeah.
I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised. That is a pretty cool idea. Puma body shell. For kids to play on. Brand new wheels. Look at that. Pretty good bulkhead. It's got a 2014 on it. Yeah, it's pretty good condition. Is there a chassis? There's an actual chassis in there. It's a proper Land Rover. It's a real Land Rover. That chassis is pretty good. God, if this has been here 5 years, I don't believe that. I do not believe that.
No, darling. Dad's got.
Look at that. It's a pretty standard dashboard for a Land Rover. Headlining, bit of plastic. That's this is pretty cool actually for kids. And a proper leather steering wheel. Okay, it might not be leather, but the play in the steering wheel was pretty standard. Seats could do with an upgrade. So it got me thinking about how it was all put together. So I reckon it was a body shell that was taken off the factory line, as this was a separate stage in a separate building before final assembly. There's no chassis number, there's no engine or running gear, so it would have been quite easy to take a body shell and then a separate chassis, join them together in a separate facility without ever hitting the production line. Then they built some fake axles, stuck on some new wheels, shipped it here and then dumped it on the wood chips. Anyway, the kids love it. My son certainly did, as he ate his special lunch out of the blazing English sunshine.
Special. Very special.
Yeah.
Special for me.
One of the Eastnor instructors we met said that every owner of a new Land Rover gets a free experience day, but only 20% take it up. But apparently they're all very relieved when they arrive and realise they don't have to use their own vehicle. Heaven forbid. Otherwise, if you want to have a go on a Land Rover Experience Day and need an excuse for a family-friendly day out, there's also a maze where you can try and lose them.
Not this way.
And your kids can pretend to have a car just like Daddy's. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.